Have you ever wondered what really makes the scoop of ice cream just perfect? That creamy, sweet, refreshing feeling? Well, it's not an accident. It's actually pure science. Today, we're going to dig into the data and figure out what really makes ice cream so incredibly delicious.
So, here's the plan. We'll start with the quest for that perfect formula. Then we'll decode the key ingredients. After that, we'll uncover the really surprising role that sugar plays, find that Goldilocks zone that people love, and finally, we'll see why the recipe itself is only half the story. Sound good? Let's get into it.
All right, so our journey begins with a real scientific quest to basically engineer the ideal scoop of ice cream.
And at the very heart of this whole thing is this one simple question. What is the secret? Is it the fancy flavor, a specific brand, or is it something way more fundamental, something actually hidden right there in the recipe?
Well, it turns out the secret isn't just a recipe, it's a formula. It all boils down to a super precise scientific balance between two of the most critical players in any ice cream, sugar and fat. If you can get that ratio just right, you've got magic in a bowl. So to find that magic ratio, food scientists at Penn State University set up this really cool experiment. Let's break down how they actually figured this out. So check this out. They created a grid, 9 totally unique vanilla ice creams. They systematically changed the fat content from low to medium to high across the top and did the same with the sugar content down the side. This gave them every possible combination, from a lean, not-so-sweet version all the way to a super rich, high-sugar, premium-style ice cream. And their method was really clever. First, obviously, they made the 9 ice creams. Then, and this is key, they brought in a panel of trained sensory experts to describe everything. I mean, everything from how strong the vanilla flavor was to the buttery aftertaste, even how fast it melted. And for the final step, they got 146 regular folks, just like you and me, to taste all 9 and simply rate how much they liked them.
Now this is where things get really interesting. The results were pretty surprising, especially when it came to sugar. Its job is way more complex than you might think.
We all think sugar's job is simple, right? Make things sweet. But what the data showed was that in ice cream, sugar is a total multitasking superstar. It has a massive impact on the texture and even changes how we perceive the other flavors in the mix. Okay, now here's where it gets cool on a physics level. You can almost think of sugar as a type of antifreeze for ice cream. The more sugar you put in, the harder you make it for those big, crunchy ice crystals to form. And that's why ice creams with more sugar feel so much smoother and less icy on your tongue. And that's not all. This study found that adding more sugar actually made the vanilla and buttery notes seem stronger. It made the whole thing feel creamier. But, and here's the trade-off, it also reduced that refreshing cooling feeling you get. So sugar is basically like a giant control panel for the entire experience.
So, with all these things pulling in different directions, where's the sweet spot? This brings us to the hunt for the Goldilocks zone. The one recipe that people just liked the most.
And the crucial takeaway here is that when it comes to how much we enjoy something, more isn't always better. The researchers found that making perfect ice cream is all about striking a really delicate balance. This is the perfect illustration of that trade-off. As you crank up the sugar and fat, you get that amazing, luxurious, creamy texture you see on the left. But at the exact same time, you're dialing down that refreshing coolness, which you see on the right. You literally can't have the maximum of both. All right, so after all that science, all that tasting, what did those 146 people decide was the perfect amount of sugar? The optimal number for maximum enjoyment turned out to be 14.3%. And what about the fat? The perfect number was almost identical, 14.8%. And there you have it, the scientifically proven, consumer-approved formula. Just for context, those numbers put this ice cream squarely in what you'd call the premium category at the grocery store. And this graph, this explains everything. Scientists call this an inverted U-curve, and it shows that our liking for something peaks right there in the middle. Too little sweetness, and we don't like it. But, and this is the fascinating part, if you add too much sweetness, our enjoyment actually drops off again. It's the Goldilocks principle, right there in a chart. But hold on. So we've got the perfect chemical formula. We're done, right? Well, not quite. The perfect recipe is a huge piece of the puzzle, but it's not the whole story. The way we experience that formula is just as important. Because, having the perfect ingredients is one thing, but how we perceive flavor is this incredibly complex process that's happening inside our brains, and it can be influenced by all sorts of other things.
This brings us to this idea of sweet taste perception. See, it's not just about what's happening on your tongue, it's about how your brain decides to interpret those signals. And other research shows that one of the biggest factors that can change this interpretation is temperature.
Oh, this is so cool. Studies have found that really cold temperatures, like ice cream straight from a deep freezer, can literally suppress our ability to taste sweetness. And this explains an experience we have all had, why slightly melted, warmer ice cream suddenly tastes so much sweeter. It is not your imagination. Your taste buds are literally working better.
So when you put it all together, the perfect ice cream experience isn't just about chemistry. It's this amazing symphony of chemistry, creating the formula, physics controlling the ice crystals, and psychology shaping how our brains decide to process it all.
So, I'll leave you with this. The next time you grab a spoon and dig into a scoop of your favorite ice cream, what are you going to notice? Now that you know all this, will you be able to sense that perfect balance of fat and sugar? Will you pay attention to the texture, the coolness, the way the flavor seems to bloom as it melts? Your next dessert just became a science experiment.